Hi, baby. Do you want to dance? Well, get after it. I heard you. Bo, snoring. I can't whistle today. Hi there. What was that? Well, I try to get you to dance because you're dancing and then you stop. And you're talking to me, so I stopped the music. And now you've clammed up. You're not talking. Are you just going to be cantankerous? Is that your goal? What do you have to say for yourself? I know you're cute, but you're acting bad. So what do you have to say for yourself? You're funny. I know you're funny, but that doesn't mean you can act bad. Can you say I'm sorry? Can you say I'm sorry? You're not really sorry, are you? Are you not sorry? You don't apologize? Yes, I see the car going by. I can hear it too. You are a pretty bird. You can't get by in life just on your looks, though. What kind of job are you going to do? What's your career? Hmm? What are you going to do with yourself? You don't know? I keep losing you in the camera. Too close, too far. So what are you going to do? Are you going to be a hobo? A fly catcher? Do you have anything else to say? The fly has you distracted, doesn't it? Maybe if you showered more often. Now you took a shower this morning. He's just a pesky fly, huh? Are you done talking? Do you want to tell everybody bye, or you can be rude? What if they don't want to ever see you again because you're rude? You don't care? That was rude. Turned your back on them, turned your head. Sorry. Did you say a real quiet sorry? Are you sorry? Well, okay. Can you at least tell them bye? You say bye? Bye-bye. Adios. Hasta la vista. Over and out. Catch you Friday. That one's funny, isn't it? Are you going to laugh? You do it. Oh, you're getting shy. That's very classy. Oh, yeah. Very classy. And in front of everyone. Way to go. Don't run. You're the one that just did it onto the camera. Goodness. Can you say you're sorry for being rude? Oh, you're yawning. Am I boring you? You just don't care that you're rude, huh? You say bye-bye. See you later. Come back. Come back. Say, I really love you. Well, show him. Say, I really love you. I really love you. I love you. Yes. All right. We're going this time. Tell him bye. All right. I'll tell him bye. Is that what you want me to do? You don't care? Okay. You're not shy. No, you're not. You're being a stinker today. You're not shy. You're being a stinker. Can you tell him I'm sorry? Do you care that you're being rude? I saw you yawning earlier. Do you need a nap? You want some privacy while you finish your bath? All right. Adios. They understand English. You have to say it in English. Okay. They understand Spanish. Can you say it in Spanish? Hasta la vista. Adios. Say, ¿qué pasa? I hear the dog. We have a snoring bulldog in the background. See you later.